she was getting lap dances and grabbing titties. When a stripper ain't looking, she grabbed the 50. Right out the bitch thong when the song is on. I'm like, that bitch ain't shit. She put the gun to your balls while swallowing your kiss. Before you know it, you got raw. Before fat chicks that kicked in your door while you was tied. That's the game that bitches play. Watch your back while they walking your way. You know a long hair, brown skin, pussy be whipping niggas like Lady Heroin. You try to get her drunk, she slipped you a Mickey. Now you the next date rape victim on Ricky. Bitch, fuck with D, I have a leg hanging out the trunk like the Marshall Mathers LP.
Thick eyes, but she full of surprises. I swear this bitch is shady. That's what I know. Sex on my mind all the time, and you think that that's your baby. You don't know. You a good guy that's living alive, and she told him where you're safe. That's what I know. If you cool and she satisfied, how come that bitch just pays me? You don't know.
So never trust a hoe. No, think it just set up fast, putting your hands in the air like Buster Show. I got the fame name Buster Go. Between your legs, a few places my nuts to go. I'm stubborn in the worst way, so I don't follow up if I don't get the pussy the first.